Steam Workshop 101, Workshop Steam Downloader. Steam Workshop is a platform where you can find and submit new content and modifications for your favorite Steam games. You can browse, rate, and download new content and modifications from other players, or create your own with the Steam client. Different games may use the Steam Workshop in different ways, but everything here is created by members of the Steam community, just like you. Some examples of the Steam Workshop are, Gary's Mod Workshop, a platform where you can discover, download, and create add-ons for the game Gary's Mod. You can also browse, save, and share games, demos, and other content with other users. See the latest and most popular add-ons, or search by tags, categories, or dates. VR Chat Workshop, a platform where you can create and share your own avatars, worlds, and animations for the game VR Chat. You can also explore and enjoy the creations of other users, or join them in social VR experiences. Dota 2 Workshop, a platform where you can create and submit your own items, heroes, custom games, and more for the game Dota 2. You can also vote and comment on the submissions of other users, or support your favorite creators with the Steam Workshop revenue sharing program.